Alright guys, it's time for another Lost and Found video. And for today's video, well, first off, sometimes it's fun to shoot little guns. Sometimes it's fun to shoot bigger guns. And sometimes it's fun to shoot really big guns. In the video that YouTube deleted, I explain how the cost of ammo when you're using factory ammo is really expensive. Then when you start reloading and you buy some jacketed bullets, it's less expensive for the Desert Eagle and 50 Action Express. But then I talk about how I cut costs even further by casting with this NOE 50 cal bullet mold that was designed specifically for the 50 Action Express. When we were designing the bullet mold, I told Al from NOE that I wanted a bullet that followed the similar profile as the spear bullets that I'd been using in the Desert Eagle. And so we came up with a design that was very similar. And as casts like this, they weigh, as a solid, they weigh 325 grains, which is a very common weight for the 50 Action Express. And then the hollow point version, when you cast with hollow points, then they come out to be 300 grains, which is the other very common bullet weight for the 50 Action Express. So if you'd like to see how I made these and I shoot them in this, then click on the link in the video description below and enjoy.